Notice that I'm choking the suction side. You don't need to put a bunch of silicone on stuff. It shows that you don't know what you're doing, or you're just tired of dealing with the problem instead of finding the solution. But as you can see, the solution is still here. You can either fill that up with water and go over every single joint. That's what I do. But I've already found it because I went over all of them. But we're above grade here. So this thing's under some suction. It needs to suck some air right now. So it's sucking air. We're going to listen for it. Maybe you can hear it. But take your hand, go around it till it stops, or the sound stops. So it's not on that, which most people think it is. It's a bad glue joint. That little bit of water there. Yeah. You can put water on that too. You don't hear it, so you know it's on that glue joint.